Hey folks, my name is Robert Moore. I'm here to show you our Bourbon Aroma Kit. The Bourbon Aroma Kit comes with 24 of the signature aromas that are found in bourbon. The kit comes in a decorative heavy-duty cardboard box. It comes with our instruction manual and a number of perfumer strips. These are going to be very important later. On the back of the cardboard box, you get a list of all of the various aromas in the kit, and each one corresponds to one of the vials in the kit. In order to utilize the kit, you take a perfumer strip and you open the vial and dip the perfumer strip in the solution that's in the vial. You let it gas off for a second, and then you bring it up to your nose. And be sure to sniff it with both nostrils because, fun fact, your dominant nostril actually changes every 3 hours. That one is really hard for me to identify, although I've done it so often, I know that it's apple. And there you go. So what you do with this is you do it over time. You do the same thing every time. Now, when you're sniffing the aroma, it's important to associate it with a picture in your mind. And we just happen to have pictures for you. Number one solution, apple. You can see we've got a picture of apples. Now, why do we do that? Well, when you're sitting with a glass of bourbon in front of you, there's nothing there. You've got no pictures. You've got a glass full of a wonderful bourbon, but there are no clues to tell you what aromas are in there. So you bring it up to your nose, and then what you try to do is you try and picture those aromas in your mind. So over time, what's going to happen is when you smell apple, that apple picture is going to pop up in your mind. When you smell cherry, that cherry picture is going to show up in your mind. And that's why it's so important to train with an aroma recognition kit. Now, one of the interesting things in our book is we have identified a number of bourbons and the actual aromas that are in there and the aroma numbers that actually make up that flavor profile. You can actually go and check yourself against this list. See how many you can identify. So why is this so important? Well, your tongue can taste 5 flavors: bitter, umami, sour, sweet, and salty. That's it. Everything else that you perceive as flavor is aroma. Sommeliers say that 85% of your ability to perceive flavor comes from your nose. Actually, we believe it's more than that. Your nose is orders of magnitude more sensitive than your tongue. Further, you have the ability to perceive flavors through your retronasal and orthonasal ability. Retronasal is actually through a passage that is behind your tongue that goes up to your olfactory system. A creepy little fact, your olfactory system is the only part of your brain that's actually exposed to air. So, by training your ability to smell all of these flavors, you're going to be able to appreciate your bourbon even more, and you're really going to be able to impress your friends at your bourbon club. So come join us and become a bourbon geek like me. If you're a bourbon lover, go to our website, schoolofwineandspirits.com. There's a link in the video description. And for those that like Scotch or Irish whiskey, we have a whiskey kit that covers those. We also have a rum kit, we've got a gin kit, and we've got a wine kit for anybody that's a wine lover, gin lover, or a rum lover. Any of you professionals out there, we've got a faults kit that covers all of the common faults that you find in the production and serving of spirits and wines. Finally, we've got a distiller's kit for you distillers out there and anybody that's curious about the process. Go to our website at School of Wine and Spirits and check out all of our product offerings. Again, the link is in the video description. If you like this content, hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you get notified anytime that we put out new content. Cheers!